Yo, welcome to another episode of Legacy Speed, baby. Today, we're gonna be changing the high pressure AC line on my G35. This is a 2004. This process will actually work very similar in your 350Z, so you can do the same exact thing. So let's get into it, baby. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna make some room, so I'm gonna get this intake out of the way. We're just gonna take a screwdriver and unscrew this screw right here. Yo, so if you're wondering why I'm replacing my line, it's literally because it's non-existent right here. So this is the low pressure. I'm sorry, this is the high pressure and this is the low pressure one right here. But yeah, this was cracked, so the previous owner replaced this with this tube and put it directly onto the condenser. So obviously this is not the right way you should be running your AC line at all, and there's leaks with this. So I'm actually gonna be replacing it with this AC line that I pulled off another G35 in the junkyard. And this was 12 bucks. You can find it online for about $130. But if you want a cheaper route and want to pull it off right now, then I suggest going to a junkyard, just going to another G35 and taking it out. Again, this was 12 bucks, so I can't beat that. So my setup is a little bit different, like I said, because there's this piece right here. I'm just gonna unscrew it right here and take it off and then start disconnecting everything. For you, it should properly be connected to the condenser, and to actually disconnect it from the condenser, you're gonna have to use one of these tools from Amazon or eBay. It's an AC line quick disconnect tool. And the reason you're gonna be using that is because these little springs, they start to crack. So you trying to pull this out is not gonna work. And if it does, man, you're gonna have to literally rip it. So I highly suggest you pick up one of these tools. Honestly, I was rough with this one as far as getting it out. I bent it. Obviously, this is an old one, so it didn't matter. But when you put it in the new one, you do have to be a little bit more gentle because these do break easily. So I disconnected the line. As you can see, we got it completely out. Let's just reverse the process, put it back in, line everything up, and get everything bolted back. Let's go. All right, so here's an update. I accidentally broke the end of the AC line. So maybe it's not a good idea to buy a junkyard one, man, because I adjusted it just a little bit and the end literally just snapped off. That probably was by far the worst part to replace thus far. All right, we finally got the high pressure AC line on. So time to connect the condenser and radiator back on, put the new fan on as well, and get it wrapped up. All right, time to replace the compressor on the car. So gonna go in here and take this out. And she's out of the car. So you can already see, man, there's a major difference in the two. Now this one is still used. It's off another G35. It has some mileage on it, so it's not brand new, but it's definitely better than this one because it doesn't work at all. So let's get her in and let's go. So make sure you guys are always cleaning, you know, any screws, nuts, parts, you know, even part of the engine bay when replacing things, because you've already taken it out, you might as well. So you just want to make sure no dust, debris, or any type of corrosion's happening. So always a good note to carry these brushes around. You can get these off Amazon just to clean up everything. Yo, so that concludes this video with the G35, baby. We got the compressor, we got the high pressure AC line in the car, so I'm just gonna end the video there. Up next, we got the condenser and the radiator and the blower fans that I'm gonna put in. So check out the next video for that install. But for now, like I said, I'm gonna end it here, man. That was a big headache to get those in, especially that high pressure AC line. If you're gonna do that, I highly recommend you pick up the quick disconnect tools. You can find them on Amazon, but bro, without them, it's gonna be hell to get those off. But anyways, guys, I hope you have a good night. I gotta take a shower. I am dirty right now. Peace.